हेलो दोस्तों। वेलकम बैक टू ग्रो विद कनिष्का, जहां बोर्ड एग्जाम की तैयारी होती है स्मार्ट और फुल पावर से। मैं हूं आपकी कनिष्का डी, और आज हम फ्लेमिंगो बुक के एक बहुत ही यूनिक और फिलोसॉफिकल चैप्टर को डिकोड करेंगे। आज हम पढ़ेंगे एक ऐसा चैप्टर जो बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए तो इम्पॉर्टेंट है ही, लेकिन इसकी कहानी एक फेरी टेल जैसी है, विद अ डीप मैसेज। ये कहानी है एक रेट्रैप सेलर की, जो दुनिया को ही एक बड़ा रेट्रैप समझता है। चैप्टर का नाम है द रेट्रैप। कैसे एक इंसान की अच्छाई को जगाया जा सकता है थ्रू अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड लव। जानेंगे सब कुछ। और हाँ, अगर आप पूरा वीडियो ध्यान से देखोगे तो एंड में मिलेगा एक फ्री सरप्राइज, जो आपके बोर्ड प्रेप में गोल्ड जैसे काम आएगा। मिस मत करना। दिस चैप्टर हैज लेयर्स एंड द नोट्स विल हेल्प यू पील देम। वैसे, अगर आप चाहते हो कि इंग्लिश बोर्ड प्रेप सॉलिड हो जाए, तो अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब करो ग्रो विद कनिष्का और बेल आइकॉन दबा दो, क्योंकि यहाँ हर लेक्चर होता है नेक्स्ट लेवल। लेट्स एक्सप्लोर ह्यूमन नेचर टुगेदर। ओके चैंपियंस, लेट्स सेट द सीन। द रेड ट्रैप आपके फ्लेमिंगो टेक्स्ट बुक का फोर्थ प्रोज चैप्टर है। इसे लिखा है सेल्मा लागरलोफ ने, जो एक स्वीडिश राइटर थी एंड द फर्स्ट वुमन टू विन द नोबेल प्राइज इन लिटरेचर। ये कहानी स्वीडन के माइंस के बैकग्राउंड में सेट है, जो आयरन ओर में रिच हैं। लागरलोफ की कहानियों में एक यूनिवर्सल थीम होता है, a belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. ये चैप्टर इसी थीम का परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल है। इट्स टोल्ड समवॉट इन द मैनर ऑफ अ फेरी टेल। बोर्ड एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये चैप्टर थीम्स लाइक ह्यूमन लोनलीनेस, काइंडनेस, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड द मेटाफोर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एज अ रैट ट्रैप पर फोकस करता है। इसमें से शॉर्ट आंसर, लॉन्ग आंसर एंड एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। Weightage is usually around 5 to 7 marks. Students often enjoy the story, but sometimes struggle with the philosophical aspect, the rat trap metaphor, and the character transformation. We will break it down simply. Alright, let's meet our main character. A man who sells small rat traps of wire. वो ये rat traps खुद बनाता था at odd moments, begged material से. Business profitable नहीं था, so he had to resort to begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together, मतलब गुजारा करना. Clothes ragged, cheeks sunken, hunger gleamed in his eyes. Life sad and monotonous थी for this vagabond. Vagabond इस chapter my important keyword है, जिसका मतलब आवारा होता है. Now, vagabond who plods along the road, मतलब धीरे धीरे भारी कदमों से चलना. One day he fallen into a line of thought. An entertaining idea. उसे लगा कि the whole world, lands, seas, cities, villages is nothing but a big rat trap. इसका पर्पस सिर्फ लोगों के लिए बेट सेट करना है. Riches, joys, shelter, food, heat, clothing, just like a rat trap offers cheese and pork. जैसे ही कोई बेट टच करता है, ट्रैप क्लोज हो जाता है and everything comes to an end. दुनिया उसके लिए काइंड नहीं थी, so it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it. ये उसका cherished pastime बन गया, to think of people caught in the snare and others circling the bait. One dark evening, trudging along, he saw a little grey cottage. Knocked to ask shelter. Surprise! He wasn't refused. Instead of sour faces, the owner, an old man without wife or child, was happy to get someone to talk to. उसने तुरंत porridge बनाया, supper दिया, tobacco share किया, and played Amjolis card game with him. Kanishka. The old man was generous with confidences too. बताया कि वो रामजो आयरन वर्क्स में क्रॉफ्टर था. अब ओल्ड हो गया है, तो उसकी काऊ उसे सपोर्ट करती है. लास्ट मंथ उसे मिल्क के 30 क्रोनर मिले थे. स्ट्रेंजर इनक्रेजुलस लगा, तो ओल्ड मैन ने विंडो फ्रेम पर टंगे लेदर पाउच से 3 रिंकल्ड 10 क्रोनर बिल्स निकालकर दिखाए एंड स्टफ्ड देम बैक. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग दोनों उठे. क्रॉफ्टर काऊ मिल्क करने गया. पेडलर भी चला गया, थैंकिंग द क्रॉफ्टर. बट हाफ एन आवर लेटर पेडलर वापस आया. विंडो पेन स्मैश किया, पाउच निकाला, 30 क्रोनर ली, thrust into pocket, pouch वापस टांगा, and went away. He felt pleased with his smartness. He dared not continue on the highway, turned into the woods. Forest bada and confusing था. Walked and walked, but seemed to be walking in circles. Suddenly, recalled his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. Now his own turn had come. He was fooled by a bait, 30 kroner, and caught. The forest closed in like an impenetrable prison. Late December, darkness descending, gloom and despair. Saw no way out, sank to ground, thought last moment had come. Just then, heard a sound, hard, regular thumping. Hammer strokes from an iron mill. Must be people nearby. Summoned strength, got up, staggered towards the sound. Reached Ramseo Iron Works. Large plant, smelter, rolling mill, forge. Long dark evening before Christmas. Master Smith and helper sat near furnace. Bellows groaned, coal cracked. Fireboy shoveled charcoal. Waterfall roared outside. North wind whipped rain. Blacksmith didn't notice the peddler enter due to noise. Peddler looked typical. Long beard, dirty, ragged, rat traps dangling. Asked permission to stay. Master blacksmith. Nodded a haughty consent. Matlab घमंड से भरी सहमति, without a word. Tramp भी चुप रहा, just wanted warmth and sleep. Ramshaw Iron Mill का owner था एक prominent iron master. Ambitious, watched work closely, came for nightly inspection, saw the tall ragamuffin who had uneased his way close to furnace. Iron Master ने उसे ध्यान से देखा, tore off his slouch hat. But of course it is you, Niels Olof, he said. Mistaken identity. Niels Olof was probably an old regimental comrade. Peddler ने Iron Master को पहचाना नहीं, but सोचा कि if the fine gentleman thought he was an old acquaintance, maybe he'd get a couple of kroner. So he didn't undeceive him. Yes, God knows, things have gone downhill on with me, Peddler said. Iron Master bola, you shouldn't have resigned. Well, now you will come home with me. Peddler alarmed. Manor house jana matlab, throwing himself into the lion's den. He said no, no, no. Iron Master socha he felt embarrassed, due to miserable clothing. Assured him home wasn't too fine. Wife dead, boys abroad, only oldest daughter Edla and himself. Invited him for Christmas company. Stranger still refused. Iron Master haar mankar chala gaya, but blacksmith knew he hadn't said his last word. Half hour later, carriage wheels. New guest, Iron Master's daughter, Edla Wilmanson. Sent hoping she'd persuade him. Not pretty, but modest, shy. Peddler floor par leta tha, hat aankhon par. Edla lifted his hat. He jumped up, frightened. Edla introduced herself. Said father sent her. I am so sorry, Captain, that you are having such a hard time. Looked compassionately. Noticed he was afraid. Thought, either he has stolen something, or else he has escaped from jail. Added quickly, you may be sure, Captain, that you will be allowed to leave us just as freely as you came. Only please stay with us over Christmas Eve. Said it so friendly, Peddler felt confidence. Agreed to come. Valet ne fur coat diya. Peddler followed Edla, ignoring astonished blacksmiths. Riding to Manor House, he had evil forebodings. Why did I take that fellow's money? Now I am sitting in the trap. Next day, Christmas Eve. Iron Master happy about his old comrade. Told Edla, first get flesh on his bones, then find him other work. Edla said, last night I did not think he looked like an educated man. Father said, wait till he's clean and dressed. Door opened. Stranger entered. Truly clean, well dressed. Valet bathed, shaved, cut hair, gave Iron Master's suit. But now, in broad daylight, Iron Master realized his mistake. Not Niels Olof. What does this mean? He thundered. Stranger made no attempt to dissimulate. Dissimulate means chipana. Said, not my fault, sir. Never pretended. Begged to stay in forge. No harm done. Can put rags back. Iron Master hesitated. Not quite honest. Sheriff might have something to say. Tramp struck table with fist. Now I am going to tell you, Mr. Iron Master, that this whole world is nothing but a big rat trap. Explained his philosophy. World baits people. He himself was tempted by the 30 kroner bait, got caught. Said Iron Master shouldn't be angry. He might get caught too one day. Iron Master started to laugh. Iron Master bola, okay, sheriff ko nahi bulate, but get out. But Edla stepped in. Said it wasn't right. They invited him for Christmas cheer. Promised him safety. I don't think we ought to chase away a human being whom we have asked to come here. She had felt sympathy for him, wanted him to enjoy one day of peace. Father gave in. Peddler said nothing, only stared at Edla. Christmas Eve passed. Peddler ate and slept as if he hadn't slept safely for years. Next morning, Christmas, Ironmaster and Edla went to church, heard that an old crofter at Ramjo had been robbed by a man selling rat traps. Father looked at Edla. That was a fine fellow you let into the house. They returned home. Ironmaster asked Valet if Stranger was still there. Valet said he left, but didn't take anything. Instead, left a Christmas present for Miss Wilmanson. Edla opened the package, a small rat trap. Inside, 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes, and a letter for Edla. Letter read, Honored and noble miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, I want to be nice to you in return as if I was a real captain. Do not be embarrassed at this Christmas season by a thief, but you can give back the money to the old man. The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain, because in that way he got power to clear himself. Written with friendship and high regard, Captain von Stahle. He signed with the name the Ironmaster gave him. So Edla's kindness and understanding awakened the essential goodness in the peddler. He acted like a real captain in the end, returning the money and showing gratitude. Transformation complete. Let's trap those marks for the rat trap. Let's discuss some types of questions. These are short answer for 2 marks, like, what was the peddler's philosophy? Why did the crofter trust the peddler? Why did the peddler get lost in the woods? Why did the Ironmaster mistake the peddler? Why did Edla invite the peddler? What did the peddler leave for Edla? These are some long questions. These usually came for 5 to 6 marks, like character sketch of the peddler, focus on transformation, or Edla Wilmanson, focus on kindness or impact. Discuss the metaphor of the world as a rat trap. How did Edla's kindness change the peddler? Justify the theme that essential goodness can be awakened. Extract base, these usually came for 4 to 6 marks, like passages describing the peddler's philosophy, his stay with the crofter, the Ironmaster's mistake, Edla's intervention, or the final letter. Now how to write, full mark, answers. First, explain the metaphor. Clearly explain the peddler's rat trap philosophy, and how he himself gets caught. Bait, Jakschrim 30 kroner, trap, Jaksch Forest, Manor House. Second, trace the transformation. Show the peddler's journey from cynical thief to someone capable of goodness. Highlight key turning points. Crofter's kindness, betrayed. Ironmaster's mistake, exploited. Edla's genuine compassion, accepted. Final act, redemption. Third, highlight Edla's role. Emphasize Edla's kindness, understanding, trust, and treating him like a captain. These were crucial for his change. And at last, use keywords as it's very helpful for gaining marks, like mention rat trap metaphor, essential goodness, kindness, compassion, transformation, redemption, mistaken identity. These are some common mistakes by students and some smart tips for each. Mistake. 1. Not fully explaining the rat trap metaphor or how the peddler got caught in it. Tip. Dedicate specific lines to explain the comparison and the peddler's own entrapment. Mistake. 2. Focusing only on the peddler's negative traits and missing the transformation. Tip. Show the contrast between his actions before and after meeting Edla. Mistake. 3. Underestimating Edla's role, just calling her kind. Tip. Explain how her specific actions, trusting him despite suspicion, treating him with dignity, led to the change. ये गलती 80% स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं. एडला को बस काइंड बोलकर छोड़ देते हैं. एक्सप्लेन करो बेटा, उसकी काइंडनेस में क्या स्पेशल था जिसने थीफ को कैप्टन बना दिया. Rat trap revision. Let's go. Peddler. Who? Sells rat traps. Poor. Thief. Cynical. Philosophy. World. Big rat trap. Baits people. Crofter. Who? Kind old man. Shows peddler 30 kroner. Peddler steals it. Forest trap. Peddler gets lost, realizes he's caught in the world's rat trap, baited by money. Ironworks. Finds shelter. Ironmaster mistakes him for Captain von Stahle. Invitation declined. Peddler refuses manor house invite. Fear. Edla persuades. Ironmaster's daughter, kind, compassionate, persuades him to come for Christmas, promises freedom to leave. Mistake realized. Iron Master sees Peddler cleaned up, realizes mistake, wants to kick him out. Edla intervenes. Defends Peddler, insists he stay for Christmas peace. Transformation. Peddler, touched by Edla's goodness, leaves Rat Trap stolen money and thank you letter, signed as captain, for Edla. Theme. Essential goodness awakened by understanding and love. Time to test your understanding. Question 1. How does the metaphor of the rat trap help us understand the human predicament as depicted in the story? This usually came for 5 marks. Hint for framing. Explain the metaphor first. World offers baits like riches, joy, etc. Show how characters are affected. Peddler tempted by money, crofter by loneliness, showing money, Iron Master by ambition, past acquaintance. Explain how the peddler realizes his own entrapment. Conclude how the metaphor reflects the temptations and consequences humans face. Example. Opening. Selma Lagerlöf's The Rat Trap uses the central metaphor of the world as a giant rat trap to explore the human tendency to be ensnared by various baits, like wealth, comfort, and companionship, ultimately highlighting the universal nature of human weakness and predicament. Question 2. Edla Wilmanson proved to be much more persuasive than her father in dealing with the peddler. How did she succeed where her father failed? This usually came for 5 marks. Hint for framing. Compare the approaches, father's authority versus Edla's compassion. Analyze Edla's perceptiveness, she saw his fear, her honesty, promised freedom, and her genuine kindness, treated him with dignity despite suspicions. Explain how these qualities earned the peddler's trust and awakened his better nature. Okay, जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में प्रॉमिस किया था, अब वक्त है सरप्राइज का। अगर आपको द रेड ट्रैप के फुल नोट्स प्लस सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस पीडीएफ फ्री चाहिए तो सिंपल काम करो। डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए मेरी वेबसाइट लिंक पर जाओ, वहां अपना नाम और ईमेल आईडी भरो और न्यूज़लेटर को सब्सक्राइब करो। फिर मैं आपको 24 घंटे के अंदर आपके ईमेल पर नोट्स भेज दूंगी। इस पीडीएफ में होगा नोट्स एंड सम सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस, बिल्कुल फ्री। अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो, लाइक ज़रूर करो, कमेंट में बताना कौन सा पॉइंट सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प किया, और वीडियो को शेयर करना मत भूलना। और हाँ, ग्रो विद कनिष्का को सब्सक्राइब करो, जहां इंग्लिश बोर्ड प्रेप होती है क्लियर, फोकस्ड और फन। मेहनत स्मार्ट तरीके से करो, सेल्फ डाउट हटाओ और क्लास 12 बोर्ड्स में आप टॉपर बन सकते हो। आई बिलीव इन यू। वेबसाइट लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, जाकर न्यूज़लेटर ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि मैं नोट्स भेज सकूं, और कमेंट में लिखना सब्सक्राइब्ड ताकि मैं आपका नाम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकूं। Just as Edla's kindness transformed the peddler, let our guidance transform your English scores. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम करेंगे another important chapter. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye and keep growing with Kanishka.